University of Toronto undergraduate computer science students show off their summer projects and explain the potential business applicability.
So what we did is that we wrote an incremental interpreter for a data log to be used in a program analysis. And what is so special about it is that a simple interpreter would just run your program, and if you want to add more facts or remove facts from your program, it would just rerun the new program from the beginning. But what our interpreter does is just it runs the program once, and when you add facts, it just evaluates the part of the program that needs to be evaluated to find the new results. It does not rerun the program from the beginning. It's mainly going to be used for program analysis, but I know that data log is used in data integration and also declarative networks. So if somebody has an idea of how to use this tool, there would be great.
This Facebook privacy application, called the Crystal Ball, tests how well apps can guess answers to your security questions.
The same sort of information that are used for security questions tend to be available on online social networks such as Facebook, Google+, MySpace, things like that. So the idea behind this app is we're trying to find out, how well an app that has access to this sort of information can guess various security questions, as well as how many of these questions it can guess. The goal is to sort of raise awareness for this sort of thing, because it's not that well known that this type of inference or data mining attack is possible. So there's no sort. It might be like you could sell it or something, but being a fun sort of app, I guess. But in reality, the goal is to sort of raise awareness for this sort of attack. You could do a lot of things, like find out, use Facebook apps to figure out what people like, that sort of thing. It's you can use it for targeted advertising. You could do a lot of stuff.
This web application, called AutoDict, is for easier information retrieval.
And my project is about making a web app that demonstrates an algorithm to making attribute dictionaries. It has a component that will find all the important candidates that it considers and present it to you. And then what you do is you come up with a set of attributes and use those attributes to tag those important segments. So after you finish tagging, then you have an initial set of a dictionary, and then you use this dictionary and give it to the computer of my web app. And the web app will use this initial dictionary as a learned data and to find all the rest of those entries for the dictionaries. Well, the ultimate goal I'm trying to do is to help online vendors such as Amazon. So they have lots of vendors information or product information coming in as semi-structured data. So the semi-structured data, it contains a lot of information, such as which attribute that customers are interested in. So it's very, very important for them to figure out what are those attributes, right? So our algorithm could help them find out those attributes automatically.